Hallway P, Shannon Andrews and Gunner P. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Toragoon.
Today we are making peach and pepper dip. For this recipe, you will need 8 ounces of low-fat cream cheese, softened, 15.5 ounce can of peaches, canned in 100% juice, drained and diced, 1 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, plain, 1 large jalapeno, seeded and diced, half a cup of green onions, chopped. In a mixing bowl, place cream cheese. Add peaches, yogurt, jalapeno, and green onions. Mix to combine. The Otoe word for peaches is Konje Skowe, fuzzy plump. Indigenous people have carried the seeds of peaches and planted orchards across the Americas for hundreds of years. Tribes in the Southwest grew peaches for food and traded them for other foods and goods. Ceremonies were held in peach orchards to offer prayers and give thanks to the sweet fruit. Their plentiful orchards were targeted and destroyed by invaders. The seeds carried by the survivors were essential to re-establishing the orchards. Peaches were eaten fresh, boiled, or dried in the sun for food during the winter. Peach pits were used as a tool to smooth out cooking stones. Today, fresh peaches are found at farmers markets, grocery stores, or local orchards. In Oklahoma, peach season is June through September. The Muskogee Nation grows and cares for heirloom peaches that are smaller, firmer, and sweeter than peaches found at grocery stores. Once the dip is combined, serve right away, or for a stronger flavor, chill in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours, or even overnight before serving. Serve with whole grain crackers and fresh cut vegetables like cucumber, celery, or bell pepper. This recipe makes 6 servings. 1 serving is half a cup. Enjoy!